Hello, now I will tell you how to reconfigure your link. If you need to just change setup, but not change the presentation, we need to copy our link with the same content. No, like this. This setup doesn't matter. So we have the main link and the copy. Now we need to copy this and push the pencil to change our main presentation setup. This window opens always with default settings, so we need to change all settings what we need. We can change the title and other steps. After we change it, we hit to click next. That's all. This is our new link. Thank you.